Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon Sword and Shield in Yuzu Emulator. Full guide. First, download the latest Yuzu build and required prod. Keys, then place your game files into a dedicated folder. Next, install up-to-date GPU drivers and enable asynchronous shader caches. Configure your controller mapping and set shader cache directory on an SSD if possible. Finally, check GPU backend options and apply shader precompile to reduce stutter during gameplay. Now configure Yuzu for optimal play by choosing the best graphics backend for your GPU, either Vulkan or OpenGL. Adjust the memory override to a safe level that matches your system RAM to prevent crashes in busy zones. Enable multi-core CPU emulation and set thread counts to reflect your CPU cores. Tweak shader compilation and cache locations to an SSD for faster load times and smoother, more consistent frame pacing in battles and open areas. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and maybe fund your next gaming upgrade. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy easily. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. If you hit performance issues, start by lowering internal resolution or using resolution scaling to balance visuals and FPS. Limit your FPS target or enable VSync to reduce screen tearing and input lag during important battles. If you experience random crashes or graphical glitches, clear the shader cache and recompile shaders, especially after major Yuzu updates. These steps often resolve stutter, texture pop-in, and inconsistent frame times for a more enjoyable playthrough.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.